Hello and welcome to this short video. As part of this little demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make Red Hat OpenShift deployed and managed on a public cloud, such as an IBM cloud in this case, will be able to interact with another cloud native service such as a managed database. In this case, we're going to use a PostgreSQL and we're going to demonstrate how to make this PostgreSQL talk with the Quarkus application that's going to be deployed onto OpenShift. The Quarkus application that we're going to deploy as part of this demonstration is a simple REST API which is going to give you information about fruits. We're not going to go into much detail about this particular Quarkus application, but there are two important points that we are going to notice here. Point number one is how to make this particular Quarkus application talk to the managed database. For that, we are going to use a service, a typical Kubernetes service of type external name that's called PostgreSQL, which is mapped to the managed database host name of the database that we already have. And we use that particular name as part of the JDBC properties of this Quarkus application to make it interact with the managed database. Let us do the deployment right now. Before we deploy the Quarkus application, we want to have the service created so that the Quarkus application can interact with the database. To do that, I'm just going to create the service using OCCLI and then say OC create this particular service. There we go, the service got created. Once we have the service ready, all I'm going to do is I'm going to deploy this Quarkus application into OpenShift. And there we see the Fruits app is successfully deployed onto OpenShift. Let's try invoking the service REST API to see if we are able to talk to the database. So let's use the route that's been exposed by this Fruits app and click on that, which should take you to the landing page of your Quarkus application. But as part of the REST API, I have exposed a path called API/fruits that should basically retrieve me a set of fruits from the database. That's pretty much it. You've now seen how to make a Red Hat OpenShift managed and deployed on a public cloud to be able to talk to native services of the cloud, such as a database.